Have you ever wiped a thick layer of gray dust off your bedroom furniture? You shed roughly 200 million dead skin cells every single hour. That's not just a hygiene problem worsening your indoor air quality. Atmospheric chemists have mapped exactly how these discarded flakes alter human environments. Why would human biology evolve to produce such massive amounts of airborne debris? And why do homes with more shed skin sometimes show lower levels of specific toxic gases? We will uncover an invisible squalene lipid reaction and a disproven theory about dirty rooms. Let's explore right here on Just Body Things. Look at a sunbeam shining through your window. You will see thousands of particles floating. Most people believe this dead skin dust is nothing but a hygiene problem. They think it worsens indoor air quality. That assumption is entirely wrong. To understand why, we must examine ozone. Ozone is a highly reactive gas. It exists naturally high in the Earth's atmosphere. Up there, it protects us from solar radiation. But at ground level, ozone is a severe respiratory hazard. Ground-level ozone enters your house through open windows. It seeps in through drafty doors. Your home electronics also generate small amounts. When you breathe ozone, it damages your delicate lung tissue. It causes cellular inflammation. It literally sunburns the inside of your respiratory tract. It triggers asthma attacks. It reduces your overall lung capacity. Your house traps this gas inside. The concentration should naturally build up to dangerous levels. But environmental air testing shows a glaring contradiction. Indoor ozone levels are often significantly lower than outdoor levels. Something inside your home is destroying the gas. Chemists initially suspected furniture fabrics were absorbing the ozone. They tested carpets and curtains inside sealed environmental chambers. The fabrics did absorb some toxic gas, but it was not enough to explain the massive drop. The math was completely broken. Then they ran tests inside a simulated airplane cabin. Airplane cabins fly at high altitudes. They cruise directly through atmospheric ozone layers. The air pumped inside should be highly toxic. Yet the internal measurements showed safe ozone levels. They packed the tight cabin space with human volunteers. The ozone levels plummeted immediately. The humans were clearing the air, but they were not breathing the ozone in. The air purification happened entirely outside their bodies. Toxicologists analyzed the cabin air filters. They found high concentrations of specific chemical byproducts. These chemicals only form when ozone breaks down lipids. The reaction yields specific carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are the safe molecular leftovers of destroyed ozone. This discovery shifted the entire investigation. The focus moved from fabrics to human skin. This brings us back to the floating dust. Your skin is your primary outer armor. It constantly regenerates itself from the bottom up. As new cells form, older cells get pushed to the surface. They die. They flake off endlessly. These dead skin cells are not just empty protein shells. They are heavily coated in squalene. Squalene is a complex natural lipid oil. Your sebaceous glands produce it constantly. These tiny glands sit just under your skin surface. They pump out squalene oil to keep your skin waterproof. When a skin cell falls off, it takes a heavy squalene coating with it. Now you have 200 million squalene-coated flakes floating around. This is where the atmospheric chemistry takes over. Ozone molecules possess an extra oxygen atom. This makes them highly unstable. They desperately want to attach that oxygen to something else. Squalene molecules contain 6 double bonds of carbon. This unique structure makes squalene incredibly reactive with ozone. When toxic indoor ozone molecules collide with these floating skin flakes, the squalene chemically reacts. It breaks the ozone down into harmless compounds. This continuous shedding creates an invisible biological filter. It neutralizes up to 15% of the ozone pollution trapped inside your house. Think of squalene like the sacrificial zinc anodes attached to ship hulls. The zinc aggressively attracts rust and sacrifices itself. This protects the boat's steel from saltwater corrosion. Your dead skin cells are exactly like these sacrificial decoys. They attract highly reactive ozone. The gas bonds to the carbon instead of your biology. They destroy it in mid-air before it corrodes your lung tissue. Your body is weaponizing its own trash. The dead tissue is a floating chemical shield. You shed skin everywhere you go. You leave a trail of squalene on your clothes. You leave it on your bed sheets. Every surface you touch becomes a reactive ozone trap. Your dirty room is literally purifying the air. The gray dust is the byproduct of a chemical war. A war fought between your discarded biology and atmospheric pollutants. The debris falls to the floor afterward. We obsess over keeping pristine houses. We buy expensive HEPA filters for our bedrooms. We scrub every surface until it shines perfectly. But complete sterility removes this natural squalene barrier. A completely dustless room is chemically defenseless. The ozone has nothing to attack but you. You wipe away your own environmental armor. So the next time you wipe a thick layer of gray dust off your bookshelf, remember you aren't just cleaning up your own debris. You're removing a spent filter that just saved your lungs from a toxic ozone hit. That's one mystery solved. Subscribe. Your body's got a new one waiting tomorrow.